Today we'll be demonstrating the installation of an EcoHitch part number X7514S for a 2020 to 2026 Toyota Corolla Sedan, which features a 100% concealed cross tube, as well as the highest weight ratings in the market with 3,000 pounds towing and 450 pounds of tongue weight capacity, making it the best option for e-bikes and more. To begin, open the trunk lid and remove the cover over the taillights, and remove the 10mm screw that's located underneath that cover. Remove the clips in the wheel well from underneath the vehicle. Remove the fasteners along the bottom edge of the bumper. Starting at the wheel wells, begin unclipping the bumper. Work your way toward the center until the bumper is fully disconnected and set aside. Once the bumper is off the vehicle, remove the 8 fasteners securing the crossmember and set them aside. The crossmember will not be reinstalled. Lift the hitch into position where the crossmember was removed and secure it using the supplied M8 bolts with lock washers and 5/16" flat washers. To install the frame supports, you will need to scrape off the seam sealant on the side of the frame to access the outer frame rail hole. Install the inner frame support through the slot in the side plate and into the frame. Insert the coiled end of a 1/2" bolt fisher into the rear side frame hole, feeding it through the support plate and out the back of the frame through the side plate. Thread a 1/2" carriage bolt onto the fisher and pull it back through until the threads extend out of the frame. Remove the bolt fisher and secure the bolt using a flat washer, split lock washer, and hex nut. Attach the support plates to the side plates. Torque the M8 bolts to 25 foot-pounds. Torque all 1/2" hardware to 64 foot-pounds. Mark and cut the receiver access hole using the install instruction measurements in the center of the lower bumper valance. Use a reciprocating saw or similar tool for a clean cut. Once complete, reinstall the bumper, all hardware and clips in reverse order of disassembly. The installation of your EcoHitch X7514S is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.